When we think of the tails of comets, we might imagine a long trail of dust and gas stretching behind them. However, did you know the planets can also have tails? Especially the planet Mercury has a sodium tail, which is a fascinating feature that scientists are still studying to this day. First discovered in 1980s, the sodium tail of Mercury is a result of planet's atmosphere interacting with the solar wind. The solar wind is a stream of charged particles that flows from the sun. When it encounters Mercury's atmosphere, it causes some of the planet's sodium atoms to be stripped away. These atoms then form a long glowing tail that can extend for tens of thousands of kilometers behind the planet. One of the things that makes the sodium tail of Mercury so interesting is its variability. Sometimes the tail is very faint and difficult to detect, while other times it can be quite bright and visible. This variability is likely due to the changes in the solar wind, as well as the variation in the Mercury's own atmosphere. Studying the sodium tail of Mercury can tell us a lot about the planet's atmosphere and the interaction between the planet and the solar wind. In fact, scientists have used the observations of the sodium tails to study the structure of Mercury's magnetosphere, which is a region around the planet that is influenced by its magnetic field. One particularly intriguing discovery is that the sodium tail of Mercury actually changes in shape as the planet orbits the sun. This is because solar wind is not constant, but rather varies over time. As Mercury moves through different regions of the solar wind, the shape and the brightness of its sodium tail can change. Recently, NASA's Messenger spacecraft provided new insights into the sodium tail of Mercury. During its mission, the spacecraft made detailed observations of the planet and its tail, revealing new details about the structure and the variability of this fascinating feature. In summary, the sodium tail of Mercury is a unique and intriguing feature of this small enigmatic planet. Its variability and changing shape provide clues about the planet's atmosphere and the interaction between the planet and the solar wind. As scientists continue to study this fascinating tail, we can expect to learn more about the complex and dynamic nature of our solar system. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the universe. I am Santanu Das, and I hope you enjoyed exploring the wonders of space with me. Remember, the night sky is full of endless possibilities, just waiting for us to discover them. If you want to see more amazing things about space, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Until we meet again, wishing you clear skies and exciting discoveries. This is Santanu Das signing off.